create these super healthy and whole wheat cookies without any baking soda or powder and only with 3 ingredients. So please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press that bell icon for regular updates. So here I've taken a huge bowl and I'm adding about 1 cup of whole wheat into a sieve. Next I'm adding pinch of salt, 1 cup of besan or gram flour. You can use 2 cups of whole wheat. Now give it a good mix. Next we will sieve them. We don't want any chunk parts, so we will sieve them. Now in this recipe I'm not going to use any liquid agent like milk or water. So please watch till the end for having that crunchy cookies. Now we will throw away the chunks. Next, just give it a good mix again. And I'm adding about 1 cup of powdered sugar, sieving them again. You can use here powdered jaggery. Now throwing them away, mixing them together. Now I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can skip this is optional, or you can use even cardamom powder. Next I'm adding about 1 cup of ghee. This is my homemade ghee or clarified butter, and as you can see it's at room temperature. It's having a very creamy texture. I'll upload a video on how to make ghee at home, so please stay tuned to my channel by subscribing it for the recipe. Next we have to make the dough out of this. So first I'll mix the ghee or incorporate the ghee with all of the dry ingredients, and next we will make the dough. Now for making the dough, if you want or if it is needed, you can add about 1 teaspoon of ghee, but please don't use any water or milk. So I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of ghee, and our dough is ready. So now I'll take some portion from the dough and we'll shape them. First make a ball and then we'll flatten them out, and yeah, our cookie is ready. So in the same process I'll make the rest of the cookie. Now here I have taken some roughly chopped pista. This is also optional. This is just for the beautification. Placing the dry fruits at the center of the cookies and pressing it again with the fingers. Now here is my cake mold. At the bottom I have placed an aluminum foil and placing the cookies. Don't overcrowd them. My mold is quite small, so that is why I'm placing only 4 cookies at a time. And here is my preheated skillet. I have preheated them for the last 10 minutes on medium flame. Now I'm placing my mold and we'll wait for the next 30 to 35 minutes or until it's done. After 30 minutes you can see our cookie is ready. And let me take a cookie and break it. So see the crunch and the texture. And this is the trick, and I have brushed some milk on that cookie, so that is why we are having that beautiful red texture. And in these cookies I haven't applied any milk. Anyway, you can try both of them, and thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.